In this documentary, we explore the fascinating world of bird migration, a phenomenon that has captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. Every year, millions of birds embark on incredible journeys, traveling thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. But what drives these creatures to undertake such perilous voyages? The answer lies in a combination of instinct, environmental cues, and remarkable adaptations that have evolved over time. Birds migrate primarily to find food and suitable breeding conditions. As seasons change, food sources can become scarce in certain regions, prompting birds to seek out more hospitable environments. For instance, many species of songbirds migrate from North America to Central America as winter approaches, where they can find abundant insects and fruits. This seasonal movement ensures that they have the resources necessary for survival and reproduction. One of the most intriguing aspects of migration is how birds navigate across vast distances. Research has shown that many species use a variety of cues to find their way. Some birds rely on the position of the sun and stars, while others can detect the Earth's magnetic field. A study conducted by scientists in the 1970s revealed that the European robin can sense magnetic fields, allowing it to navigate even on cloudy days when the sun is obscured. This ability is akin to having a built-in GPS system, guiding them to their destination with remarkable precision. Did you know that some birds can travel non-stop for days? The bar-tailed godwit holds the record for the longest non-stop flight of any bird, covering over 7,000 miles from Alaska to New Zealand without resting. This incredible feat is made possible by their unique physiological adaptations, such as the ability to store large amounts of fat for energy and a specialized respiratory system that maximizes oxygen intake during flight. Such adaptations highlight the extraordinary resilience and capabilities of migratory birds. The timing of migration is also crucial. Birds often rely on environmental signals, such as changes in temperature and daylight, to determine when to leave. For example, the Arctic tern, known for its long migratory route from the Arctic to the Antarctic, begins its journey as the days lengthen in spring. This synchronization with seasonal changes ensures that they arrive at their breeding grounds when conditions are optimal for raising their young. Migration is not without its challenges. Birds face numerous threats during their journeys, including extreme weather, habitat loss, and human-made obstacles like buildings and wind turbines. Conservation efforts are essential to protect migratory routes and stopover sites, which provide critical resting and feeding areas for birds. Organizations around the world are working to raise awareness and implement strategies to safeguard these vital habitats. In recent years, technology has played a significant role in studying bird migration. Researchers have used satellite tracking devices to monitor the movements of various species in real time. This data has provided invaluable insights into migration patterns and behaviors, revealing how birds adapt to changing environments. For instance, studies have shown that some species are altering their migratory routes in response to climate change, highlighting the need for ongoing research and conservation efforts. Bird migration is not just a scientific phenomenon, it also has cultural significance. Many cultures have long celebrated the arrival of migratory birds as a sign of changing seasons and renewal. In literature and art, birds often symbolize freedom and the spirit of adventure. This connection between humans and migratory birds underscores the importance of understanding and protecting these remarkable creatures. As we conclude our exploration of bird migration, it is clear that this natural wonder is a complex interplay of biology, ecology, and environmental science. The incredible journeys undertaken by birds remind us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of preserving our planet's ecosystems. By continuing to study and protect migratory birds, we can ensure that future generations will also be able to witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of migration. The story of bird migration is ongoing, and as we learn more, we can better appreciate the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures.